The food you eat and how they're prepared is the #1 factor when it comes to living a long and healthy life. With health food stores exploding in popularity, people are investing a lot of money purchasing expensive organic vegetables, free-range chicken, and grain-fed beef. However, unhealthy preparation methods such as boiling, frying, or microwaving can destroy the nutritional value of even the healthiest foods. The fact is, foods cooked over high heat are less beneficial to you. Boiling foods destroys the vitamins and transfers the minerals from the food to the boiling water, which then gets poured down the drain. Microwaves emit electromagnetic radiation into the food, rearranging the molecular structure while destroying the vital nutrients, texture, and flavor. Teflon is a popular alternative. However, tests show that toxic chemical fumes can cause people to develop flu-like symptoms. Plus, over time, tiny Teflon particles can leach into your food. Aluminum pans can cause an extreme chemical reaction between the food and the pan. Now, there is a better way. Yes, with Carico's Ultratech 2 system of food preparation, you can say goodbye to fattening, overcooked, vitamin-depleted meals and enjoy ultra-delicious, healthful meals that retain all their nutritional value. It starts with our 4-ply encapsulated base, which features a thick aluminum core surrounded by a silver bonding agent with an outer layer of surgical stainless steel. This evenly and rapidly distributes heat across the bottom and into the pan's 5-ply thermal core. This powerful heat conductor transfers heat evenly up the sides of the pan and is made from pure aluminum bonded by 2 layers of aluminum alloy, then surrounded by 2 layers of surgical stainless steel. The surgical stainless steel gives it a long-lasting mirror-bright finish while cooking your foods in the most sanitary metal available. There is no pan on the market today that conducts and transfers heat as well as Ultratech 2. Our exclusive Ultra Seal allows vapors to condense on the cover and collect in our scientifically engineered water well. This creates a vacuum, locking in the moisture while basting your foods in their own natural juices. Your foods will look better, taste better, and provide greater nutrition for your entire family without excess water or grease. Here's how it works. Start foods on medium heat. When you hear the whistle, close the valve and reduce the heat to low. It's that easy. The key to this exclusive patented technology is the revolutionary Ultra Temp Control and Whistle Knob, the ultimate tool for healthful convenience. It whistles when it needs you and tells you what to do. Cooking without the Ultra Temp Control is like cooking in an oven without knowing the temperature. With the revolutionary Ultra Temp Control, you know the actual internal cooking temperature of your pan. It completely takes the guesswork out of cooking, assuring you'll never burn foods again. With premium on safety, the Ultra Grip handles are ergonomically designed for comfort in either hand and feature a non-slip, safety-textured grip. The handles are oven-proof to 375 degrees and feature extra-long flame guards that protect them from excess heat. With the convenient stainless steel finish, Ultratech 2 cleans up with ease. It's the most efficient method of natural cooking on the market today. With our exclusive lifetime warranty, you'll never need to purchase cookware again. Carico's Ultratech 2 waterless and greaseless cooking system uses the latest technology along with the healthiest method of food preparation to provide nutritious meals while saving you time, energy, and money. Remember, the choice for good health is in your hands and the food you eat. But most importantly, how they're prepared is one of the most important factors in living a long, healthy life.